Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 2. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe our school channel so don't miss any video. We watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is you can write the number name. So you have three digits number and three digits number are hundreds. So number A question is 640, 640. So you can write this as 640. Number second question is 2, 2 and 3. So this is also three digit number and three digits number are in hundreds. So we can write this in words 223. Next part is 4, 9 and 7. So we can write this in words 497. So number D part is 508. So we can write 508. Number E part is 3, 3 and 3. So we can write this in words 333. Next part of this question 9, 5 and 1. So we can write these in 951. Number G part is 785. So we can write these in words 785. Next question is write the numbers. So in this question you can write in numbers. The question is given you in words and you can convert this into figures. So number A part is 924. So simply you can write 9, 2 and 4. Number B part is 172. So you can write 1, 7 and 2. So as 172. Number C part is 430. So you can write this in 430. Next part of this question 618. So simply you can write this in figures 6, 1 and 8. Number E part is 756. So you can write these in figures 7, 5 and 6. Next part of this question 805. So you can write these in 8, 0 and 5. Next part of this question 398. So simply you can write this 3, 9 and 8. H part is 519. So you can write 5, 1 and 9. So number I and last part is 247. So you can write this 247. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answer and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning. It's 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.